Have you ever paused to ponder the colossal journey our planet Earth has undertaken since its inception? A journey spanning billions of years, filled with dramatic transformations and marked by the relentless shaping and reshaping of continents. Today, we delve into the fascinating chronicle of the Earth's geological history. We commence our narrative some 4.5 billion years ago, at the dawn of the Hadean Eon. The newborn Earth was a molten sphere, its surface aflame with volcanic activity. The relentless bombardment from space rocks and the decay of radioactive isotopes generated intense heat. This tumultuous period saw the formation of Earth's earliest crust and oceans, setting the stage for the story of life to unfold. The Archean Eon, commencing 4 billion years ago, witnessed the formation of the Earth's continental crust. The planet's surface cooled, allowing for the formation of continents and oceans. The atmosphere, primarily composed of methane and ammonia, played a crucial role in nurturing the planet's earliest life forms. Following the Archean, the Proterozoic Eon emerged, lasting nearly 2 billion years. It was during this eon that oxygen began to accumulate in the atmosphere, a seminal event known as the Great Oxygenation event. This paved the way for the evolution of complex multicellular life. The Phanerozoic Eon, our current eon, commenced some 540 million years ago. It is marked by the dramatic evolution and diversification of life on Earth. From the rise and fall of dinosaurs to the advent of mammals and the emergence of humans, the Phanerozoic Eon has been a time of profound biological change. In the grand scheme of geological time, humans are recent arrivals. The Anthropocene epoch, proposed to mark the period when human activities began to have a significant impact on Earth's ecosystems, is but a blink of an eye in Earth's geological history. To summarize, Earth's geological history is a tale of ceaseless transformation. From the fiery beginnings of the Hadean Eon, through the formation of continents in the Archean, the oxygenation of the atmosphere in the Proterozoic, to the flourishing of life in the Phanerozoic, each chapter has left an indelible mark on our planet. And the story continues, with every passing moment adding another layer to Earth's rich geological tapestry. As we reflect on this vast and intricate journey, it behooves us to remember our place within this narrative. We are but transient custodians of a planet that has weathered countless upheavals over billions of years. May this understanding guide our actions as we strive to safeguard the Earth for generations yet unborn. The tale of Earth's geological history is far from over, and we have the privilege of writing the next chapters. Let this be a tale of stewardship, of respect for the world that cradles us, and of hope for a sustainable future.
हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और साथ ही बेल आइकन दबाएं, जिससे समय पर नोटिफिकेशन आपको मिलती रहे। आपका एक लाइक हमें प्रोत्साहित करता है जिससे कि हम नई वीडियो बनाएं। थैंक्स फॉर योर सपोर्ट।